Yo, what's up, guys? It's Enrique for Easy Things to Draw. Hopefully, you guys are, chilling out, having a good day. Today, we're gonna go over how to draw different types of mouths, lips, lip type. I don't know what you call it, lips, mouth. We're gonna go over different types. I've kind of been going over the basics of other, features before I kind of talk about different types. But it's important to kind of know that, and so you can kind of try to make your own lip types, and it's gonna help your characters immensely if you do that. So let's start with that. Let me get fixed tip here. Also, before I do that, if you guys like learning to draw anything like characters, the basics of drawing, art advice, I give a lot of art advice. Just fun stuff, general fun art stuff, anything related to art. Sometimes I do painting on here. Please hit that little what do you call that? Hit the subscribe button and then click that little bell icon. The bell icon is gonna give you kind of notifications for when I post videos. I don't know why it works like that now. So let's get into this. Yes, exciting. So real quick, we're going over lip anatomy super fast, but this isn't a lip drawing video, but let's go over that really quick. If you look at the lips from the front, you can break the lips down into quadrants. First of all, you have the split in the mouth. And we're thinking about this in a very polygon-esque way. Split in the mouth, the philtrum in the middle, kind of like two mountains. And then you have the lower lip, which can be split into two or one. Sometimes it's like two ball shapes stuck together. And then the top mountain can be sometimes split down here, with a little bit of it, this little midsection here of the lip coming downward. But that's how I think of every lip type, no matter what. I pretty much just think of that vague polygon shape. And then from the left to right, it's just two mountains. Really simple. Really, really simple from if it's facing this direction. So let's go over different lip types, knowing that, okay? And don't worry about it if you didn't get that. I'm sure are gonna go over it over and over. So let's go over different lip types. All right, let's create a row here, just like in the other ones. So if I'm thinking of well, let's get really Betty Boop. And so you're adjusting different things about it, because I always talk about that. What I tend to adjust is I adjust the lower lip, kind of the, how big that is and if that's going to have a split in it, which I'll show you in a minute. And then I also adjust the kind of the width Like how long is the actual opening of the mouth? You know what I mean? Is it gonna be like spread apart, like really thin, or is it gonna be like I feel like I'm squishing that in, which like what I'm about to do right now. So let me really squish that in. You know what I was saying though, like with these quadrants, I would say play with kind of the scale of them and how much this like middle section right here overlaps, because that is gonna really change the character. Or it'll actually, I don't know if it'll change the character, it'll change the design of the character, that's for sure. hopefully that sharpness really changes it. All right. So, like I said, mess with that. Key things, right? Key things would be this center. I can't remember. Sorry, guys. I didn't look up the names right now. But this center little dip, that's a big one. Whether it exists or not. I know somebody's going to tell me in the comments. The two fat pads, whether those connect or not on the lower lip. That's a big deal. And also kind of just the shape of the general opening. See this line? It's kind of has this like, kind of sad, straight, smiley. And then obviously it changes with expression, but there is kind of a set expression that you have when you create a character, and that character wants to. You are like if you're doing turnarounds, and you're drawing a character, their at ease position really defines who they are. Somewhat. It's really easy to play around. So what I want you to do is I want you to get some paper, and I would like you to create a few of these on your own. That'd be the best thing to do. You want to solidify this information, not just information-wise, but actually practice it and do it and get into your mind. When you do that a few times, like I said, you're going to find that you're going to have a little bit of a library going on in your brain, and you're going to be able to use it a lot more than you think. And it's going to come out naturally the more you practice it in different characters that you do, and when you draw out of your head. Even sometimes in portraits, like I said, you'll be able to, well, I didn't say that before, but in portraits, you'll see what's going on a lot more in the mouth. But anyways, that's about it. That was how to draw different mouth types, lip types, I guess. Maybe I don't know what to call this. Different lip types. Thank you so much. If you guys did like that, press that like button and subscribe if you can, like I was talking about earlier. Pretty much it. That's kind of all. I have Rick and Morty prints that I'm selling over on my website. I've got a few of those left. I had them at an art show. I'm going to put the link below. Maybe. Probably. I hope so. Check that out. And I'll see you guys tomorrow, guys. See you later.